Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace URLs in WordPress quickly and efficiently. Let's begin. First, open your WordPress website, click on the login button at the top right, and sign in with your Google account to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, go to the post section over here to see all or see the list of all of your existing posts. Then I want you to click on the quick edit on the post you would like to update. For example, this, over into it, click on quick edit. Then you can now enter a new URL slug that fits your content and ensure it follows SEO best practices over here. Okay. So once you've successfully made the changes, click on update over here to make sure to save everything, especially the new URL. And your post now has an updated, user-friendly address. And that's it. You have now successfully replaced a URL in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.